Red Jungle Fowl, which is the origin of all chickens, lives wild in the mountains just behind our house. There is a group you can hear every morning. So my roosters call and then they answer back. And in the mating seasons, the girls come down to check out our roosters. You can recognize them that they fly really, really high and land high in the trees, and they check out things and then they go back. It is possible or quite easy to trap them in live traps, and then people put them in chicken baskets and keep them for 3 months, and after that time they will stay at their house and you can just let them go. They are used for hunting, the roosters, and for fighting. So hunting, you put your chicken on a string in the jungle and it calls, the wild chicken comes and you can shoot it. Fighting, they fight like amazing. There are these huge, big Thai fighter roosters, which have about 3 times the size of the little choker-airs. But the choker-airs are so clever. So they challenge each other, and then it looks like the choker-air is losing. So the choker-air, this is the Red Jungle Fowl, our Korean word for Red Jungle Fowl. So they go back and they wait a little bit, and then the big rooster doesn't pay attention. They go and attack again. So they tire it out and tire it out. In the end, they will win. So that is pretty amazing. They are very intelligent. You cannot just pick them up like a hybrid chicken. They can fly very well. They love to sleep in trees, even the whole rainy season through. But they sleep, actually, some of them at my house under the roof. So they are not tame, but they are also not afraid of people. They know exactly their owner, they know their place, and when in the cold season and hot season we live from morning to evening in the garden, they eat there, they follow us, and they follow us around and stay quite close to us. When we moved here, I wanted to have eggs from chickens. I didn't want to breed chickens for meat, and it was not available. But we could rescue hybrid layers. So we did that. When we tried a fighter rooster and it didn't work out, and then we got our Red Jungle Fowl rooster, and he danced for them, and they were deeply in love, and we got eggs, fertilized eggs. So I bought a fighter hen, which was already breeding with eggs, and I put the other eggs under, and I got my first chicken babies. So all my chicken go back to the hybrid hens crossbred with Red Jungle Fowl, and I got all kind of variations. I did not at this point really understand what a hybrid chicken is and how they are created. So I got very big roosters, then I got very small hens and roosters, which we ate because I was not interested in it. So we got white ones, brown ones, we got all kinds of mixture, but now it kind of has stabilized itself a little bit. I still have fighter roosters coming in and making love to my girls, so we also have involuntarily a little bit fighter chicken bred into our chickens. In the whole, the amount of eggs has increased and the size of the eggs has increased. So they are not white anymore, they are a little bit pink, and they are a little bit bigger. And they keep laying, and when we see a nest, and then we just take the eggs. So I have of course, not achieved to create a proper dual-purpose chicken, but we are having eggs that we can eat. Our chickens run free everywhere, and in the moment I just let them reproduce as I like, as they like.